Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove CapCut watermark at the top of video. Okay, let's get into it guys. The CapCut watermark always appears at the top of our video when we use template from CapCut, and I'm going to show you. Okay, as you can see, I got this watermark after I use a template from CapCut, and I'm going to show you how you can remove it. So guys, if you want to get rid of this CapCut watermark, you need to export without watermark, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to create a video using the template. Wait, I'm going to go to the template menu, and then I'm just going to pick random template.
God will not fail you.
Okay, and then I'm going to use this template, and I'm going to replace the video in the template with my video. Wait, I'm just gonna pick a random video from my gallery. For example, this one, guys. Okay, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and as you can see guys, that we got CapCut watermark at the top of our video. And if we want to get rid of this CapCut watermark, we need to export without watermark. But before you export it, you can edit your video. You can change the music or change the text. It's up to you. And then I'm going to click on export. Okay, and oops, sorry. Alright, and to get rid of the CapCut watermark, you can select export without watermark. But wait, I'm going to change the resolution. Click on done, and then we can click on export without watermark. So the CapCut watermark at the top of video will be removed. Okay, it's almost done. Okay guys, now it's done, and I'm going to show you the result after the video with CapCut watermark has been exported. We'll be able to upload it to TikTok or maybe Instagram, or it's up to you. And now, as you can see, that there is no CapCut watermark at the top of my video. Okay, that's easy, right? You just need to select the export without watermark, and the watermark will be removed from your video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove CapCut watermark at the top of our video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.